Yo, what's up? So today, pretty easy. Shouldn't take that long. But I got a short shifter. If you don't know what a short shifter is or a short throw shifter, it just basically like decreases the throw. So it's in the name. So like I'll try and show you right now. So this is the stock shifter. This is a shift knob from CONDOR Speed Shop. I'll link them in the description, but super nice like weighted shift knob. But basically this is the stock shifting distance. So if I'm going into first, that's kind of far to go into first gear, and then second, that would be neutral. Second is all the way back here, so on and so forth. So third is kind of far. I'm like almost hitting this with my hand. But basically what a short throw shifter is, it'll just decrease that distance. So instead of like going all the way up there, it would be like super short. You'll understand it when I put it in, but that's just to kind of explain it. So first I'm probably gonna have to take this off, take the shift knob off, and I'll open this up, look at this, and we'll get into it, I guess. So see you there. So this is the short throw shifter. It was from eBay, so I don't know how well it's gonna work, but if it doesn't work that well, you know, whatever, I'll put the stock one in. I also got some hood struts that came in, so I'll put those in today. Hood kept falling down, so this will hopefully keep it up. But I'm gonna start taking this off, which is some Allen key, some right there. There's like 3 different ones. So I gotta take this off, take the shift boot off, and then pop this trim out, and then we'll get to it after that. So I'm gonna get into this. So got the shift knob out, and pretty much with this, I mean, I don't know how easy it is for anybody else, but I should be able to just pop it out. Yeah, okay. So got this surrounded by this trim. Here is the shifter, stock one. Gonna try and do this with one hand. I don't know, I'm gonna have to put it down and then get to it. So basically just had to like lift it off like there. Super dirty. But yeah, so there is the stock kind of shift, and you'll see that's where this part goes down into that hole. I'm gonna need some pliers and twist that ring around to be able to get it out, and I'm also gonna have to jack up the car and go under it so I can take off the shift linkage, which is right there. So I'm gonna jack up the car real quick. Take this little clip off because it holds the shift linkage in. This is the drive shaft, by the way. But that little clip, and then once I take it out, that pin will slide out towards the right, if you're looking at it the right way. So yeah, towards the right of it. So I'm gonna slide it out to see if I can get it real quick. Pin is out. This is the rod I was talking about, the shift linkage rod. It's out. This is the little clip that goes on the end of the shift link rod, which is kind of hanging right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it goes on the end of it, and it basically just keeps it in place. So now that cylindrical part, let's see if I can reach my hand up there. This right here is the actual shifter. So I'm gonna have to go up top and remove it, and then slide the new one back down, and pretty much just put it all back together. But it should be pretty simple. So I'm gonna go up top and finish it up. So I just popped out the old shifter. Super dirty. Honestly, don't even know what this is for. I don't know why it's so beat up right there. It's kind of like some metal sticker or something. I don't really know. But compared to the new one, here's the difference. So this part right here is pretty long. They're both the same height, which is good, but I'm hoping it'll work good. We'll see. So I'm gonna put it in, and I'm gonna have to go back under the car and put it back all together. So I'm gonna put it in. It's gonna go something like this. and then just push it in. I got the snap ring down there below it, so it's not gonna come up anywhere. So it's pretty tight, it's in place, it just feels really good. I was just going through the gears a little bit. It's gonna take some getting used to, but it's definitely way shorter. I'll show you after I put all the boots back on and everything like that. So I'm gonna clean these up a little bit, put them back on, and then I'll show you how short the throw is now. I got the short shifter in, CONDOR speed shop knob, and I'm gonna go through the gears. So this is first gear, and look, like just from my hands before, you could see how much room I have. That's first gear. So yeah, the gears are super short. Second, third, obviously. I'm not gonna go through all the gears, but yeah. Reverse. Everything's super tight, super easy to get through the gears. It's gonna take a little bit of getting used to because you need like a little bit more pressure to get through all of them, but yeah, it feels super nice. After I put these hood struts in for the hood, I'll take it for a drive, but I'm gonna put these in first, and then I'll give like a little review while I'm driving. So let me do these real quick. I already have the hood unlatched and everything. I'm gonna just lift it up. Okay, there it is. But pretty much I'm having like, it's literally just falling back on me because the hood struts are just completely done for. But yeah, it shouldn't be too hard. Just 2 bolts on each side and then it'll come off. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I gotta find something to put it up, or hold it up with, and then I'll get that done. So let me get on that. Old ones. This one's still kind of good, not too bad, but this one is just like supposed to be the same length as that. Just completely shot, like completely done for. But I got the new ones in. Latch. No more having to like balance it with one hand now. They're both in there. They both look good. It's kind of hard to even push it down a little bit now, but it works really good. I'm gonna go for a drive real quick. See how well it goes. It's kind of dark outside, but hopefully it doesn't rain. But let me unjack the car. Let me get it off the jack stands, and then I'll go drive it. So let's do that. Whoop. All right, here we go. Warm it up for a little bit. All right, so got it. First gear felt kind of good. Wasn't too bad. Right now. I think that's third. This is gonna take a little bit to get used to. I haven't really, it's like super tight, so just gonna get it. Pretty much it went how I thought it was gonna go. It's not too bad. It sticks just a little bit, so it's gonna take some getting used to, but it's definitely not awful. It's definitely not as like smooth as if you're driving like, you know, with the stock throw, but it's honestly not too bad. So that's pretty much it for the video. Like I was saying before, it's just a little bit hard to find the gears because I'm not used to it. They're like really short next to each other, so it's just a little tricky. I'm getting used to it right now. It's not too bad, but but I'm still getting used to it, obviously. But it's a lot of fun. In the next video, I'm not even really sure if you can hear me, but in the next video, I have some wheel studs coming in, because if you know anything about the BMWs, and you know that their wheel like kind of bolts. It's a pain in the butt to like get the wheels on and off. So I got some wheel studs, and then I also have new brakes and rotors, like drilled and slotted rotors. So that's coming. Stay tuned. Hopefully it'll come soon, probably like 2 days after this video is posted. And then like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, share it, tell your family. I don't really know. Just do whatever. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.